Hey Gary, John, West Coast Connects. Ronnie reached out to you guys the other day, promised this free video, so I'll keep it pretty short and sweet. Don't want to waste your time. Just want to show you three things you can do to increase customer flow and traffic to your website. With that, the only thing I ask is that you send me some feedback when you're done watching it, whether that be via email, text, phone call. My contact information will be in the email. So, with that, I'll get started. So, my first tip would be to increase content. And content is anything that can be highlighted, whether that be text or pictures. And you do have some buyer specific keywords here that are great, but I would focus on more um, on keywords that have more volume, and we'll get into that in a bit. But you have a electrician, Pasadena, California, which is great. Your name's in here, industrial electrician services. So that would be kind of a national keyword that you would kind of try to get on. But a lot of these are, electrical company in Pasadena, California. Like those are good keywords to try to hit, specifically in Pasadena because there's a lot of traffic there in Pasadena. I see that your website is electrical company Pasadena, so you're doing a lot of things and try to capture targeted keywords, but I would add more. And realistically, with a homepage like this, you would want anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words. And the reason why you want that much is you want to really be able to have 10 to 15 keywords comfortably in that text. And really, any picture that you have, you can also use as keywords as well. So if I were to save this image here, instead of front page 7, I might have this as electrician Pasadena or electrical contractor Pasadena or commercial electrician Pasadena or residential electrician Pasadena, whatever it may be. You want those pictures that you have uploaded saved as specific keywords. So really important to have those keywords in there so that you can be ranked. So that would be my number one tip. My second tip would be to optimize your Google My Business. The reason why you really want your Google My Business optimized is because a lot of times when people are searching, so you see here electrician Pasadena, these sponsored electricians come up, and then it's ads, and then it's right into these electrician Pasadenas. So you really want your company here, your business in the map pack in the top three, and really not just for this particular keyword, but you want them in a lot. And the way you do that to build it up is the first thing that Google looks for is reviews. You want quality and quantity, so you want as many 5-star reviews as possible. You want to upload these photos with buyer specific keywords, like I was talked about with your website. Keywords like electrician Pasadena, Pasadena electrician, electrician Pasadena, California. I put Covina in here too, West Covina, just to see what the traffic was. But you want, in order to get some of that traffic, you want them saved as before they're uploaded too. So Google knows, hey, this company has to do with electrician in Pasadena. So when that search comes up, your Google My Business can be ranked. And then also, citations. How many times your this Google My Business is out there on the web, whether that be on Yellow Pages or any web page that's a directory like that. You want your name out there. So citations are important. So that would be my second tip, is to optimize your Google My Business listing. And my third tip would just be to strengthen your site. So here is what your site looks like in Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool you can rent. It's like $1,000 a month depending on the plan you pick. Um, and this is the strength of your site. It's on a 0 to 100 scale. And really what you want is you want a 1-to-1 ratio. So if your URL rating is a 12, you want your domain rating to also be a 12. So you'd like to see a 1-to-1 ratio and as high as it'll go. Okay? Your referring domains, that's how many websites are actually referring links to your site. And these backlinks are the amount of links that are referring to your site from these 12 websites. You're ranking in the top 106 keywords, but you're not ranking high enough to get any traffic, and your traffic value is 0. So this is how much money I'd have to spend in Google Ads. And looking at the things you're ranking for, Pasadena Electric Company, that that could be like the electric company in Pasadena. That could, I'm not sure that's a buyer specific keyword. Electrician Pasadena, California is, but you're ranked in the 72nd position. You're not getting any traffic. So really you need to boost up your site to get more strength, add more referring domains, backlinks, really get that domain rating higher so that you can really start hitting on those keywords. I went ahead and looked at some of your competition. So Talbot Electric, they're in Pasadena, and Powell Electric, which Powell Electric's out of LA, but they do a lot of SEO, and they rank a lot of their sites, and a lot of their back pages rank for particular areas. And as you can see here, 140 backlinks from 32 sites. Their website's not very much stronger than you, but they're really targeting those keywords, and I'm sure they have those keywords in their site. I'd have to look, but I'm specific that Electrician Pasadena is in their site, and then their traffic value is almost $1,000. So not much different than yours, except for they're ranking for a lot more, and they're getting a lot more traffic. And then Powell Electric, again, this is a back page. If I look at their homepage would show you why they're so strong, but they're getting $500 worth of value from this particular page for Pasadena. And looking at their entire site, you can see their website's really working for them as a lead funnel. I would have to spend $21,200 in Google Ads every month to get the same amount of traffic. So, really strong sites that have been built up over time, which is something that myself and my company know what to do. So we'd love to help you out and get your website to become a lead funnel and really grow your get you leads so you don't have to go anywhere. They just come in every month. So with that, I'll let you go. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.